Dear students, आमे पूर्व क्लास रे डिस्कशन करथिले मोल कॉन्सेप्ट रे एप्लीकेशन बाय 5 फार्मूला जोटा कि आउ टिके रही जे आमे जिबा मोल कॉन्सेप्ट 3 रे आमे पढिबा एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मोल कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर आयोनिक कंपाउंड एप्लीकेशन of a mole concept for ionic compound. This is the mole concept for 3. Mole concept 3. बर्तन जी समय देखा जे फास्ट आम जाना दरकार जे व्हाट इज आयोनिक कंपाउंड ना पढ़ी तुम्हें जोटा कि क्लास 10-9 रे पढ़ी थो आयोनिक कंपाउंड उड़िया हूँ विद्युत संयोज्य यौगिक जो कंपाउंड को आम भांगिले प्लस माइनस पाइपर ताके आम कही था आयोनिक कंपाउंड उदाहरण आम कह सपोज NaCl आम तार NaCl को भांगा ब्रेकडाउन करवा दैट ओनली गिव्स Na प्लस आयन एंड Cl माइनस आयन तेणु आम NaCl को कहीपर आयोनिक कंपाउंड बिकॉज इट कैन स्प्लिट इनटू Na प्लस Cl माइनस से भली सपोज कहीपर MgCl2 को आम भांगिले Mg+2 Cl माइनस दोज आर नोन एज आयोनिक कंपाउंड. But when you can take in CH4, you cannot get the oppositely ion that is cation anion, so it is not said to be an ionic compound. तेणु मोल कॉन्सेप्ट यूजफुल फॉर आयोनिक कंपाउंड पाई कौन आम ता विषय टिके जानिबा जोटा मु कहि परिबी जनरली मन रखिबो 1 मोल ऑफ ionic compound which is approximately equal to 1 gram mole mass आमे कहिबा नाही 1 gram formula mass बोली कहिबा 1 gram formula mass which is equal to containing how many number of formula unit 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula unit सेठी हमें जनरल कही अन्य कंपाउंड पाखरे 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecule कही एठी हमें कहिबा 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula unit which is nothing but equal to gram molecular mass से सब्सटेंस रे मोलेकुलर मास काढ़ी दबा एवं ताको आमे ग्राम रे प्रकाश कर दबा दैट इज नथिंग बट इक्वल टू ग्राम मोलेकुलर मास. How many number of cations and how many number of anions so present? Now it containing atomic city into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of cation which is equal to atomic city into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of anion तेणु एतिक आम गोटे मोल आयोनिक कंपाउंड को आम एक्सप्रेस करिपरिबा. सपोज मु कहिबी वर्तमान 1 मोल NaCl नेबी 1 मोल NaCl नेबी now 1 mole example आम जिबा NaCl CaOH hold 2 CaCl2 Al2 SO4 होल 3 एगुड़ा सब आम ता विषय कहवा सपोज 1 मोल of NaCl can be expressed in different mode. Now 1 mole of sodium chloride can expressed as 1 gram formula mass 1 gram formula mass which is nothing but equal to how many number of NaCl so present in 1 mole of NaCl. Then 1 mole of NaCl will consist of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula unit. तामने ये जो NaCl यही भली केतटा आमर रही परिबो ना एवोगाड्रोस नंबर ऑफ रही परिबो तेणु 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula for NaCl. Third रे which weight is equal to तुम समझते जानिच सोडियम एटॉमिक मास 23 AMU क्लोरीन एटॉमिक मास 35.5 AMU. Now adding 0.5 58.5 this is the gram molecular mass which is nothing but equal to 58.5 gram. This is the gram molecular mass for sodium chloride. Now how many number of Na plus and how many number of Cl minus are present? When NaCl ionized to form Na plus and Cl minus. Now Na plus can have atomicity is 1, Cl minus can have also atomicity is 1. So the number of Na plus ion is 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Na plus ion. Similarly 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Cl minus ion. Which will have then 1 mole NaCl can be expressed in different ways. The 1 mole NaCl means 1 gram formula mass which is nothing but equal to how many number of formula units are present. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 formula units are present. What is the weight of 1 mole of NaCl? 58.5 gram. How to calculate? The atomic mass for sodium is 23 mu. Atomic mass for chlorine is 35.5 mu. So its molecular mass is 58.5. Therefore it can expressed in form of gram molecular mass. So it is 58.5 gram. How many number of Na plus ion are present? 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Na plus ion. 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Cl minus ion. Which है सेकंड एग्जांपल देबा सामे कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड कथा में टिके चिंता करिबा. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आगे जानिबा हमें दरकार कि फर्स्ट यू नो जे व्हेन कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आयोनाइज देन इट विल गिव्स द cation and anion number. When it will ionize to form Ca+2 and 2OH minus, and the atomicity for OH is 2, so it can produce 2 mole of OH minus ion. Now 1 mole of calcium hydroxide can be expressed in a different mode. 1 mole of calcium hydroxide can express as 1 gram formula mass. 1 gram formula mass. Because it is ionic compound, but you can written other case 1 gram mole mass. which is nothing but equal to how many number of calcium hydroxide formula units are present. Now it will be containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula units for calcium hydroxide. What is its weight? Now the atomic mass for calcium will 40 AMU. Now 2 oxygen atoms are present, so atomic mass for 2 oxygen is 2 into 16 equal to 32 AMU. Hydrogen 2 number, atomic mass is 1, 2. Now add 474 AMU. Calcium atomic mass 40 AMU, oxygen 2 number, 16 into 2 equal to 32, hydrogen 2 equal to 74 AMU. Now it expressed in form of gram, that is equal to 74 gram. How many number of cations are present? How many numbers of anions are present? Now atomicity for calcium is 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Ca plus 2 ion, and how many number of hydroxide ions are present? 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of OH minus ion. Because the multiplication of 2 will suggest its atomicity is 2, and also it can produce 2 mole of ion. You can know 1 mole of anything will containing Avogadro's number. Then 1 mole of OH minus can containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of OH minus ion. So 2 mole of OH minus will containing also, or its atomicity is 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of OH minus ion. Similarly, you can also written form C for calcium chloride. Now third example, aluminium sulfate. Al2SO4 whole 3. Now it will ionize to form 2Al plus 3SO4 minus 2. Now it can retain in different mode 1 mole of aluminum sulfate is approximately equal to 1 gram formula mass. 1 gram formula mass. What is, by how many number of formula units are present? 1 mole any ionic compound will containing Avogadro's number of formula unit. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of formula units. For kahar Al2SO4 whole 3 aluminum sulfate. What is its weight? Now you have to calculate. Now atomic mass for aluminum is 27 AMU. As 2 number of aluminum atom are present, so it is equal to 54 AMU. Number of sulfur atom is 3 into 32 equal to 96 AMU. Now oxygen will 12 number 12 into 16. Now multiply 12 into 16 192 AMU. Now add 3 different masses. (342 AMU). Now you can retain in the form of gram formula mass or gram molecular mass, that is 342 gram. And how many number of aluminum or how many number of cations it will contain? It containing atomicity 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of Al plus 3 ion. This is called aluminum ion. How many number of sulfate ions are present? 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of SO4 minus 2 means sulfate ions are present. So if it is ionic compound, then you must retain in a different ways. So basically our concept chapter is over, and you have to try to solve the different problems are present in your book and also given one PDF form. Some examples are calculate the number of hydrogen atom, sulfur atoms and oxygen atoms are present in 3 mole of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid of formula तुम जानी H2SO4. आंसर क्वेश्चन देखो भला भी जाना, कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, सल्फर एटम and oxygen atom are present in 3 mole of sulfuric acid. Firstly you have to calculate for 1 mole, then you have to calculate for 3 mole. Now firstly calculate for 1 mole. Now 1 mole of sulfuric acid containing how many number of hydrogen atom? Now atomicity into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Atomicity means 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of which atom? Number of hydrogen atom. This is for 1 mole. For 3 mole, question becomes gives 3 mole. 3 mole of sulfuric acid containing 2 into 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of hydrogen atom. Now you get the answer. Similarly, for you can calculate sulfur and oxygen. Now second, 1 mole of sulfuric acid containing how many number of sulfur atom? Atomicity is 1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of sulfur atom. For 3 mole of sulfuric acid containing 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of sulfur atom. Now you get the second answer for sulfur atom. Then third for how many number of oxygen atom. Similarly, 1 mole of sulfuric acid H2SO4 containing how many number of oxygen atom? Now atomicity for oxygen is 4. So it containing 4 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atom. Oxygen atom. So for 3 mole of sulfuric acid containing 4 into 3 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atom. Number of O atom means oxygen atom. Answer पाइगल तुम्हें. क्वेश्चन थला कैलकुलेट नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम, नंबर ऑफ सल्फर एटम, नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम प्रेजेंट इन 3 मोल. फर्स्ट यू टू कैलकुलेट फॉर 1 मोल, देन यू मस्ट कैलकुलेट फॉर 3 मोल. सिमिलरली हमें आउट एग्जांपल जीवा. Out example, calculate the mass of calcium atom which contain same number of atoms are present in 4 gram of magnesium. Calculate the mass of calcium. ये सब फॉर्मूला को आसीबनी, ये सब तुम मुंड को टिके नीचे आइडिया नब तापर तुम करि परिबो. Calculate the mass of calcium atom. ते मास बाहर कर calcium atom रे which containing same number of atoms are present in 4 gram of magnesium. Which containing same number of atoms are present in 4 gram magnesium. Okay, firstly you have to calculate how many number of magnesium atoms are present in 4 gram of magnesium. Now you know 24 atomic mass for magnesium. 24 gram of magnesium containing how many number of atoms? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. 1 gram of magnesium containing 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divide 24 number of magnesium atom. Question given 4 gram of magnesium containing 6 into 0.3 into 10 to the 23 divide 24 into 4 number of magnesium atom. Now 4 divided 6 equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divide 6 number of magnesium atom. ताले तुम्हें बर्तमान magnesium atom संख्या पाई गल. प्रश्न कही आमको सेतिकी रे जदि आम कैल्शियम एटम रहिबो ताले व्हाट इज इट्स वेट. तेणु कैलकुलेट द वेट फॉर same number of magnesium atoms are present in 4 gram of magnesium. ताले केमती आमे जिबा त नंबर ऑफ magnesium atom टाको मने रखिबो. ताले आमे जानिचे how many number of calcium atom becomes weighted 40 gram 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of calcium atom weights 40 gram. One number of calcium atom weights 40 divide 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. number of calcium atom is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divide 6 number of calcium atom weights 40 divide 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into एटा रही हमको 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divide 6 means कटि गला हमको एटा ताले हम केते पाइबा 40 by 6 equal to 40 by 6 एति ग्राम ताले केता हम हमको कहि परिबा 36 4 6.6 ग्राम 6.6 ग्राम आम कहि परिबा द मास ऑफ कैल्शियम एटम इज 6.6 ग्राम बुझला तेणु ये टाइप छोट छोट प्रॉब्लम गोटे आम पीडीएफ रे दबा से गुड़िक निजे टिके तुम खाता करदेव प्लस बही देखिए किसी न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम मजे अच्छी ताको निजे टिके कर आज आम ये नेक्स्ट क्लास आम इक्विवेलेंट मास स्टार्ट करवा थैंक यू।